Is it? The motorcycle, the Ferrari, and the helicopter down there. Getting ready for the start now. At the moment.
Who would do that?
The helicopter sitting there in the hopper. Looks like the Ferrari might be as well.
I'd be like sprint off. Oh, here.
Here we go. They're in business. There we go.
Motorbike. Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's gone this way.
Oh my god. Yeah, the helicopter has an advantage of turning around. Well, it depends if they come back. Did you see that? Did they? Yeah. We have to bite you up. Oh my god. Where's the car?
However, looks like the motorcycle might have hit the first blow.
Yeah, but I wasn't doing it.
The motorbike's coming back.
Was estimated to be around 250 kilometers. 250 kilometers.
Let's see the fries there.
Oh, it's cold.
You'd be like, I want a crap car, I need to buy my motorbike.
That's all you can tell him.
Oh, well.
What's it like?
Oh, it's so far.
What type of bike is that? That was nuts. They didn't go to like cheaper motorbikes. I was hoping that one.
The three of them.
If you fell off of that, then you're like, Kyle Thomas. That's like a roll. This is down there.